It's a dull, gray afternoon in San Marcos, Texas, but something big and yellow is about to brighten it up. The three leading GE AC-44 C4 stems on this train were fresh off the production line at the time of filming. They had just been rebuilt from C-44-9Ws at Wabtec shops in the Fort Worth, Texas area and were quite possibly on their very first assignment post-rebuild. An SD-40N was also along for the ride on this train, dead in tow. The train action is not over yet. Another southbound is coming through San Marcos off of the Lockhart Subdivision. This is BNSF's Priority Intermodal Service ZALT EAP from Alliance Intermodal Terminal to Eagle Pass. At the time of filming, it had very recently switched from running to Mexico on a circuitous route along the Gulf Coast and both the Union Pacific and Kansas City Southern Railroads. Now it opts for a much more direct route via San Antonio to Eagle Pass. Just seconds after the BNSF Intermodal cleared the crossing on Track 2, a northbound Union Pacific mixed freight came up on Track 1. This train was a monster, featuring a locomotive mid-train. This train also truly had a little bit of everything along for the ride, perplexingly even a little block of intermodal cars at the tail end. Precision scheduled railroading at its finest. I hope you enjoyed joining me for this short outing, and as always, thank you for watching.